Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achievers World. In today's video, we are going to solve and revise most important MCQs on Telangana poets and their literary works. So let's get start with our first question. Here our first question is, which was the first published literary work of Dr. C. Narayan Reddy? Correct answer is option C, Navvani Puvu. Navvani Puvu was the first published literary work of Dr. C. Narayan Reddy. Next one. Which of the following works was authored by Komarraju Venkat Lakshman Rao? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Vijnana Sarvaswam. Andhra Vijnana Sarvaswam was authored by Komarraju Venkat Lakshman Rao. It is a Telugu encyclopedia. Next one. Who is the author of the literary works Nippu Kanika and Rahasya Chitram? Correct answer is option A, Bunna Ailayya. Bunna Ailayya is the author of the literary works Nippu Kanika and Rahasya Chitram. Next one. Which literary work of Dasarathy Krishnamacharyalu was awarded the Andhra Pradesh Sahitya Academy Award? Correct answer is option A, Kavita Pushpakam. Kavita Pushpakam of Dasarathy Krishnamacharyalu was awarded the Andhra Pradesh Sahitya Academy Award. Next one. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy compiled a list of how many Telangana poets under Golconda Kavula Sanchika? Correct answer is option C, 354. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy compiled a list of 354 Telangana poets under Golconda Kavula Sanchika. Next one. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for which literary work? Correct answer is option B, Andhrula Sangika Charitra. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for Andhrula Sangika Charitra. Next one. Who is the author of Lithic Records of Hyderabad State? Correct answer is option A, Manavalli Ramakrishna Kavi. Manavalli Ramakrishna Kavi is the author of Lithic Records of Hyderabad State. Next one. Who among the following is the author of Mughalai Katalu? Correct answer is option B, Suravaram Pratapa Reddy. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy is the author of Mughalai Katalu. Next one. Which play by Suravaram Pratapa Reddy is based on the story of Kalhana's Raja Tarangini? Correct answer is option B, Uchchala Vishadamu. The play Uchchala Vishadamu by Suravaram Pratapa Reddy is based on the story of Kalhana's Raja Tarangini. Next one. Who is the author of the literary works Agnidhara, Rudraveena and Mahashilpi Jakkana? Correct answer is option B, Dasharathy Krishnamacharya. Dasharathy Krishnamacharya is the author of the literary works Agnidhara, Rudraveena and Mahashilpi Jakkana. Next one. What is the title of Dasarathy Rangacharya's autobiography? Correct answer is option B, Jeevanayanam. Jeevanayanam is the title of Dasharathy Rangacharya's autobiography. Next one. Which title by Dasharathy Rangacharya won which novel by Dasharathy Rangacharya won the Andhra Pradesh Sahitya Academy Award in 1970? Correct answer is option A, Chillara Devullu. Chillara Devullu novel of Dasharathy Rangacharya won the Andhra Pradesh Sahitya Academy Award in 1970. Next one. Dr. C. Narayan Reddy won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award in 1973 for which work? Correct answer is option B, Mantalu Manavudu. Mantalu Manavudu of Dr. C. Narayan Reddy won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award in 1973. Next one. Dasarathy Rangacharya translated which classic Urdu novel into Telugu? Correct answer is option A, Umrao Jan Ada. Umrao Jan Ada. It was translated by Dasarathy Rangacharya into Telugu. Next one. The Telugu short story Hrudaya Shalyamu was authored by whom? Correct answer is option C, Madapati Hanumantarao. The Telugu short story Hrudaya Shalyamu was authored by Madapati Hanumantarao. Next one. Which literary monthly magazine was published by Devulapalli Ramanuja Rao? Correct answer is option B, Shobha. Shobha, the literary monthly magazine, was published by Devulapalli Ramanuja Rao. Next one. Who wrote the poem collection titled Hamsaveera Sambhavam? Correct answer is option A, Suravaram Pratapa Reddy. Suravaram Pratapa Reddy wrote the poem collection titled Hamsaveera Sambhavam. Next one. Who authored the autobiography Satapatram? Correct answer is option A, Gadiyaram Ramakrishna Sharma. Gadiyaram Ramakrishna Sharma authored the autobiography Shatapatram. Who wrote the famous book Vishwambara? Correct answer is option B, Dr. C. Narayan Reddy. Dr. C. Narayan Reddy wrote the famous book Vishwambara. Next one. Who is the author of the literary works Jailu Lopala, Prajala Manishi and Gangu? Correct answer is option A, Vattikota Alvar Swami. Vattikota Alvar Swami is the author of literary works Jailu Lopala, Prajala Manishi and Gangu. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you feel this video is helpful to you. And please share this video to your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Thank you so much.